Pain is keeping you sidelined from the things you love to do, then maybe it's time to find out why. Today we have Dr. R Thigpen from the Center for Chiropractic and Rehabilitation. He's joining us to talk about the physical benefits of chiropractic care and how it can really make a difference in your life. And I know sometimes people are introduced to chiropractic when they've had an injury, they've been in a car accident, they've done something to their back, and they come in, and sometimes that's their first time meeting with the chiropractor, and they see an immediate benefit.
Oh yes, absolutely. We get a lot of first-time injury type patients, a lot of times car accidents or lifting injuries, work injuries, those types of things. They'll come into our clinic, and sometimes it's a brand new experience for them, but usually we're able to explain to them what it takes to get better, how long it takes to get better, and usually put them at ease fairly quickly, and we get good results.
In a fairly short amount of time.
Fairly short amount of time. Of course, it's going to depend on the type of injury and the severity of it, but those types of things we can fully evaluate and go from there.
All right. Now, there's a lot of people, unfortunately, who also suffer from back pain or neck pain that, it's not due to an injury necessarily or anything recent, but it's just that chronic problem where they wake up every day, they're not feeling good, it's limiting what they're able to do. Those types of people need to think about chiropractic too.
Yes. As we get older, Mary, the joints tend to stiffen. The joints tend to inflame sometimes more on a chronic basis, and you'll start to feel it mostly in the mornings when you get out of bed, and then we'll hear people say, well, I hurt worse in the mornings, but as the day goes on I feel better, and that's because their joints start to move and loosen up. But some people don't know that chiropractic can also help people with arthritis. They think arthritis is just a condition where there's no hope. Arthritis is set in, well, oh well. But that's not the case. That's not the case. You can pursue some natural care for arthritis, and we can improve your function quite greatly with arthritis, actually.
All right, and that's where we see that rehabilitation part of the Center for Chiropractic and Rehabilitation, because there's new things all the time that people maybe don't associate with the kind of treatment options that you can get at a chiropractor's office.
Absolutely. Many years ago, chiropractors were mostly known for just spinal manipulation, or what a lot of people know as adjustments, but the profession has evolved quite a bit in recent decades, and we've grown to incorporate a lot more therapies and rehabilitation type programs, and to give more of a comprehensive approach to those types of injuries and conditions.
Okay, so it's not just the spine and the back. There are other areas that you can help as well.
Exactly, exactly. We not only treat the neck and back, but also most other joints and muscles of the body as well.
Okay, so if you do have an arthritic condition that's prevented you from calling, you can definitely give them a call, find out what they can do for you.
Absolutely. Many, many times we can help you if you have arthritis, yes.
Now, is this something that people need to schedule on an ongoing basis? If we come in on a regular basis, we can kind of keep that pain from getting to the levels it used to be at?
Once we've got you to optimum therapeutic benefit, kind of to the best level that we can get you to, there is some people that are preventative and maintenance minded that do have that option to schedule maintenance or prevention type visits, possibly once a month, once you've reached your maximum goal there.
All right, so there is a way to keep the good feeling going.
There is a good way, yes.
All right, well, thank you so much for coming in, and if you'd like to find out more, you can certainly call the Center for Chiropractic and Rehabilitation and find out what they can do for you. Thanks. Well, up next